What's up, spiritual G's? Thank you so much for coming back. This is part 2 of the conversation we started with Mkhulum Laba. Enjoy.
Waphambuka kuyileni yela manje ngifuna ukuthi i-education yethu ne icover all of it, you understand? Asifundeni ukuthi asikho yini abantu abekho happy because of ile system. Nine point ngifuna uhlala kulo wakho. Ngithi uya understand ukuthi right now unyaka siyasazi ukuthi 2025 and by right okay, it's so. Into eningi ne ukhulu uzibona mara uzidoubt because of time man. It cannot be right. Mama lokukhulu uhlangabezana nenkinga ebhabo ukuthi naye mana was right, you know. Labo babuke beba wrong. Unofika point ini ni 50 konke ibona ukuthi ayikho right. Mangonqa le 50 years uzidoubt wena. Neng wrong. Nyenye be right ni one. Ngobe ne 50. What the crash uthi man neng right. Yeah. Manje lento leyo uyayidinaya kaningi iziyenzeke kaningi uzungena einkingeni yona awubraba bakufaka einkingeni uyawatshela amathi ni4 nambili mhlambe nokusini phela sesikhole sowethu so kuyiculture kutshontshe trope kutshontshe umlungu bokuyibuhero ukuthi mangatshontshela ngomlungu bese kubona ngathi umdlwele kumele uyotshontshe umlungu nama out kuba ukawu nama taxi ay5 10 kubo bambhayele iVR6 lo uya ngo95 96 VR6 sase isikhokho iVR6 bukusase eFrupa ngoba vele kuruza vele bamba iVR6 manje bamdulele imaza still trope why mele amite ikaso lapho ngo 8837 masangena iGTI 2020 Golf iGTI wo kusase big bang kusase small bang obuye waba big bang so ke facelift lobo ngo 8889 kusagijima amabhutsu ama IS muthu lindoda abayibhayile IS ku marambi bayidulele itombo etropini athami ensibe ngangena belungu basadubula data unlike manje webhayi bawudutshuliwe babuza that esiphethe ibhamu nawo busho ukudubula umuntu ejathini lakho ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi udubule umlungu makudubula ejathini lakhe uthatha uyancwajwa ayikhulu indaba yawo muthu le abayidubule roundini for ukuthi beyotshontsha idombo ukuthi kuba bayibhayile i2020 Golf 2 why mele amite ikasi nyeke sikufatela ma 2020 lakini and so buyiculture ikasi ngoba umlungu utshontsha umhlaba wethu futhi that was my art umhlaba wethu kubelungu futhi igold kubelungu khona manje kunama mine ayingadi la ikasi zingakaza la ikasi zazisebenza mine mama ina phethu azaselisuthu futhi masiphethe ukukhipha ama roll angakanani wonke lama gold angasithatha sibhayisela le khona enye nestapula sas yini Springs sathenga ngiyazwela ngaso ngoba
Ngiyazwela ngaso.
ngiyazithenga ukuthenga le gold lezi ama legal miners akusuthi le out yase Springs usirila kayazi
Of course.
ibhatalile imali yakho okay usirila uyiphaphethe yazi uqala yeah liyana yase Springs likho sebhayisa yoligaya le out ebhatal sirili nabo sirili nabo malima bonke yonke inhlekelele egcele eParliament iholiswa yilo muntu obhaya le gold kuma illegal miners nasesigele siyokhosi lapha sefaka knowledge of mining abantu ukuthi ama mine ayingakha la eCountry abantu ukuthi ama mine ala eCountry ayingakha sasine gold ayingakha savala kunama mine like us awutopi in a sense igas la you understand ngisho kanjani awutopi in a cent ngitsho kanjani abakutshela nokutshela ngani lo mine le and so mayotshontshela umuntu ethatha igold lakho ku wrong awutshontshe repossess thina siphila sawusare injani
Yeah, it's generation and Benito in a repossess.
ofisi ayi besithi repossess akusuthi besithi yangene ensimbi thawube kwathi omncane yokukhulile jele omdala yogugele jele ayi uSteve Chwetwa wangena ngeschedule C wakhephula wangena ngeminimum sentencing ngoba nama schedule ukuthi mangabe rebury minimum sentencing is 15 years
Yo.
it doesn't make ukuthi uzophi 2 cent and abobani batshontsha umhlaba bodaki mfitha abobani bazoba yotshontsha phela obviously ke umlungu uyotshontsha nje umlungu umhlaba wethu ukuye mfitha umlungu uzoba yotshontsha igodli likuye mfitha ukukhuphula ibigwekhuphula bodaki mfitha yini mina batshontsha ubani ngihlanga nje awunalento uhlanga nje ungatshontsha kunalento mfitha uzohlala kanjani ungatshontsha kunalento umkhali come on ngoba sicabanga ingeke amount nyaka ngatshontshe and manje enzi ayenza kanzima no akusatshontshe amatha wasatshontshe watshontshelwa thina hayi
Amara akusenziwa iranisa abasa yenza irepossession manje.
batshontshelwa thina mina ngitshontshe manje ngamuthi ngaka utshontshe wona ndoda
Besides the right problem though, like ilento lewe sikhuluma around Kwanza le ukuthi we chasing the lifestyle because they clever mokasi. Utlabona they wearing Italian, bafuna like kiki poning tele uti munde holiday ini. Akaya holiday.
Yeli poning. Uti wabona United DiCaprio nalo banichelo exena ukuthathani. Namela escaping so. What was machina ukuthi yimi ke lo? How are we thinking images? Mope uLeonardo DiCaprio uyamciba ufaka wena. So kuwe laphana. Waba nemali. Book I-cruise. Escape siya wherever, Mauritius, wherever, Mozambique. Ufulwela nje kuyoma lapha lokuleza insini. Akushuthi isithombe umezo. Once I shoot isithombe so kuyithiki.
Yeah.
When you left you saw lapha tick. Akusukuthi that thing had a meaning when you enjoyed it, no. Just the tick nombheka isithombe so yakuthi angifulfillile itick yami. That time we had so already bangayibhayelanga lamabhoots winter now isama yole mpatapata. Already yophathelanga already kolodi phone aliphathelanga ne grocery December kwenya abantu angabali already lakho laba khona yasedladlini nayo iyahuzuka lapha yikho grand lokuthi hayi yena akafuna ukusebenza ngimenzeni echo amadlozi sibayi5 sema brothers anogale imali agayele inzalo agayele intelligence mara agayanga imali naye nemali lani mebe okay together ukusebenzisa la yini ne grand understand kanjani wena nemali lumarudomo phela khona edladli magaye nemali manje phela nemali kawayibhayisise imali ingena kuye so mari domo Hambi odlo yichiri futhi thothi nokwa yichiri bathi hambi mazoyezwa ibhethe nge2000 kulo yichiri that time already futhi ifisile nyawo mfethu
ngakhumbula ki sugar daddy kakhanya umthembu
uMandla Mthini uyastem kanjani and uMandla Mthini unama brothers khona ibrother yakube ngabambanga liyagila libambile ne mali slim lele bengamanu izinto ukuthi ngiyabikho khona umthembu lomba wedladlini mali nyukwele ukuthi
ngicela ukubuza actually while we still on the repossession convo. The concept was we taking the stuff that was stolen. So a lifestyle yamakhinza back then benjani. Is it the same as today? Njengoba ngisho ukuthi na like my exposure to abo mamskebi, libo babskebi is the Italian way. You want the things that are emulated on TV and
ngoba giving zithi besiphekwe lento besiphekwe British isipheke from ngoba giving wethu bokuyi British sure njoba ne-NC ama-exile onke bethunywe British njoba uJohn Langa bale Dube kade ethola imali eBritain ngithiwa njoba uChief Albert Dube bathola i-order eBritain bacala i-ANC ukuthi from I mean mame yasibisela kuphi la yesibisela u325 mangithi unyaka kuso 2025 manje unyaka manje u1025 bashayile manje 2025 kanjani this thing belo ngifila all along mara ngenasho ngibonga nyasika ngi-ignore wabo mara sokhona izinto ezigcwalisa lento belo ngisoka ukuthi man no le man lento bengisola nayo iqiniso that's why ngisho ngayo ngifisa inyama strong kule ngifunda incwadi ngifundile ngabo Alexander the Great Idiot uphile oboma 300 before common era ne okay uthula siza ufike before common era ngathi common era nyani ibambile usizwe wabo uthi mafunda amaguru Alexander the Great Idiot yatsho ukuthi makaceda kushona ama generals asala aphethe lapha kade wina khona ithini wathi makashaya general Mile ne adlule kade conquer umhlaba wonke lesilimalisa so lama general yatsho ukuthi after ngaboma 200 BC lama general yibo so aphethe waqala yaxabana no uyathola uma 100 BC Rome yacama ngiyatake over take over lapho uAlexander shiye khona uyabona sonabo Julius Caesar yabo leso sonabo Constantine lapho kunamawaza amaningi engafundile how ama strategies abalwa ngawo amaningi uyasizwa kanjani 325 good after 325 I'm ngisezwa next ngithengile information yonke information ngilandelela gogi mangi 325 angitholi next akusokuthi ngiyayisearch ukuthi maloko ufunda mayingqondo conscious ukuthi ama content lokungayizwa lokhu ufunda phela unje umbakutshela manga uyakho ukuthola iqinise mangina washila
sure
uyakho ukuthola ukuthi yina ngayishonga understand so molo ngifunde zonke izitori lezi ngiyakho ukuba ukuthi amani njengoba ngifunde zonke izitori lezi ngeke ngiyenza ngo3 before Christ 4 before Christ what before Christ ngicina ku 300 common era man no 400 angina story engizwi 600 700 man yazi lo ngifunde zo nyafila tipta ukuthi nema khona igap ekhona la ngimangiyazi valwa yini wabo le gap ne gap into ngisifundayo ngokunendawo ngena knowledge yayo wabo ngifili knowledge yami ngiyabukhumba kunalesikhathi lesi kwangine knowledge so ngiyazi ubani ngezwe ngayo bani baphila isikhathi so like into ayene bani le into lena bayenza ngayo Jesu bani Cicero Borgia into ngiyayibona into nevela ngo 1400 uyabona ngiyavela mara 1300 akekho into ovelayo uzothi ubani wenza so nge1300 ubani wenza so nge300 akekho into engixoxayo mina kulento ezingange ngizaziyo kwaye ngenamuntu la usho lesikhathi lesikhona nje kodwa ngicela ngibona leyo waro mara ngenxa ukuthi ngathi ngiyahlala ngithule nginyathela
nokuzikhuza kanti
uyazikhuza bazothi ngiyasika ngikhuluma lento le hayi demoralize hayikhamba isikhathi hayi man kuvele ezinye izinto viyo zithi manje ikhupha into oyibuza awuboni iyafakazelana nale uthi maro like for example amahasha ase-Egypt ama-courage into yaboma 1000 years ago right it took bomba ama-courage ahambe ama-courage ahambe 1800 so ama-courage asetshenziswa from 2000 years before common era that technology has advanced phela ama-courage ahambe ngabo 1800 bezama ama-courage imoto yenziwe ngabo 1800 le so imoto ideveloping only 1800 late so ngesikhathi le technology beyenzani kanti kungamakarishi wonke kanti abantu abahlaniphile benze ama-engine bebenzani so ngesikhathi so lesikhathi besikubi lesikhathi lesinema lesikhathi ngicela ukuthi nema kunegap ekhona lana mangifunda agcina ngithola ukuthi hayi mase enye into efakazelene into leyo bengibuza labantu lama benza iChristianity uConstantine ngo325 walinda until 1600 ukuthi beze neChristianity la phela iChristianity benzele umuntu omnyama so bona benze iChristianity ngo325 bazi ukuthi kuzoba no1600 umuntu omnyama kude so nema landa amanga labantu labo umuntu ku325 uConstantine makenza iChristianity kathi sake bazi ukuthi kune South Africa ne Africa ngoye 400 bafaka u1 ngoba 1400 kuda sesizokuthi ama first people who discovered Africa Portuguese bafika 1400 mozito zabo they named iCape Copranos Cape of Good Hope bathi bafika iChristmas bafika nganye banitulu zabo sure mara ngimela amadethi ukuthi kwenzakalani bathi abantu abafika lana abantu bafika la cala lezi zonke lezi cala zifundile esihlaniphile le information is from information ethola esikolweni information oyizwa kuma instincts uyayifila uma melilanga litshela you feel it and then you use logic you need to balance the two intuition and logic ungakhohlwa kumethe logic kumethe benge mina class number kube number 1 and so when using logic mani kancane ngizonta ichance ngoba ibo se class nami job ungiyakube phambi kwakho if wena boyithola 95 mina bengizothi 98 bunama bonya ku hambe nami imthole 60 bonya ku bengekho 65 isime test mangabe na 50 akekho phethe 51 mami ngithola 50 testing nonke kumele ube 21 13 and so mangithi mina ke ayibalance logic ne-intuition ku logic kulangena khona bomaths nani and ngiziprovile ngalo dotwa le maths abaningi obahlulile ngicela singaphikisani la leyo kunale phepha labo labelungu enilikholwayo mina ngingalikholwa mina ngithi le phepha labo kulabelungu lithi mina ku logic nye and so ngicela singaphikisani phepha lakho engithi mina lidom alispan using logic yami le phepha lakho lithi mina logic nginayo mina logic engithi yona nginayo mina ngithi nidom ngiyayiphika phela i-education mina ngiyangivuma ukuthi ndoda uyishayile imaths mina ngivuma and so bani steering la i-education yabe yangirecognize anginephepha lisho ngishayile imaths
sure
i-education yabe yangirecognize mina ngirecognize this education ngisho njalo kusho ukuthi ubeyantu abayithula lo uthayile umuntu ureal lo bathi ureal uthi hayi lo uyifake kusho ukuthini yena hamba nalo real angithi lo kusho ukuthi ureal lo real kusho ukuthi lo uyifake kusho ukuthi lo real uright hamba nayo nami ke mangithi le maths ayikho le maths yangiprova mina ngiprove manje ngifuna ukuthi using logic ne intuition uyayibona lespace lesi ngoba iChristianity bathi mabayenza 325 babe uJesu bamenza ukuthi abe umlungu bathatha ilanga balivala emva kwaJesu babe target umuntu omnyama yayenza umuntu omnyama definitely umuntu omnyama ile azi uJesu bathatha uCicero Borgia manje ngifuna ukuthi 325 uConstantine wenza iChristianity and then after le pope leni baba kaCicero Borgia uPope Borgia wenza uJesu ngo1400 balindeni from 400 so that gap and look gap there's nothing account ukuthi into eziningi gogo ngilandelela incwadi ebhayi ayikho into engizokutshela ngingiyaziyo ngale gap ukuthi ayikho into engiyaziyo why ngekho into engiyaziyo ngindendela kangaka ukuthi ayikho lento bokubuye kuyikhona itriple liwa asenze example lesona mabakhuluma nge-Holocaust eGermany uyazi amanga lokho amaJuda Holocaust I mean malokhu ufunda istory emanga into ezivelayo noma bathi ama-conspiracy theories nani akuveli istory sase-Germany namaJuda
ngicela leyo documentary enithi nibhekelele bafethu eya Holocaust eshiya Hitler kanjani unayo?
Mina nginayo documentary idle ngifunde incwadi eningi nje nemunye khona ngifuna amathikili amaningi nje amanye bokungama comprehension esikolweni mhlawumbe comprehension bathi nayifunda ne-story and answer questions on that kwacala kwami kumazi-ke phela mina history ngiyenzanga.
So do they train these people? So mostly being a Holocaust. We've had this conversation before actually. Most being a Holocaust. So labantu laba baxoxa istory kwenziwa, they train you from home. What happens?
As much as batrain you ukugibisa emakhaya.
And the footage yona siyithini ke?
I-footage akusiyo into bayenza i-footage ayisiya kumuntu labantu. Sesazi baye kumuntu kanti bazimele banema-studio kwenza ama-footage. Abotsotsi labantu mamela go. Amajuda ne. Kahle kahle sibuyele nemuva. Uyawazi amalento lena ama-night.
Night bar, like nightman.
Night like emgcinzi.
KN, yeah. KN nights.
Yes. Ngithi akulantu bakungamela abakhumule impahla.
Abamelanga.
Bangamela abazikhumule.
Hayibo.
Yes. Bebazibalale ngazo.
Hayibo.
And bathi mawulele ngazo bakonara ukuthi you are loyal to the king. And manje kumele bahlale understand ukuthi you must understand the pattern, what is pattern everything. For ukuthi ucontent wathi kwacontent vale libuzo why. Ungazothula. Why long man? Ungalala ngaleza insimbi bani ungalala ngaleza insimbi lezi. Kwakulunga lokanje ngale insimbi can you swing? You need to maneuver. You pop your wave, you throw your back, you throw your jab, you throw your punch, upper hook, uppercut. Kumele wazi ukuthi wenza. How you going to move? How you going to swing? How you going to pop? Kulezi insimbi lezana. Umkhonto usha kanjani uphoka kanjani? Lezi insimbi lezana abantu labane bongama aliens masesithoka. Ama-reptilian race. Yibo lento benzo Alexander, isito Alexander. Phela kwasithola ukuthi Alexander kunensolo sokuthi umuntu ongazange abekhona. I-character by creator. Le uzikwazi create character.
Sure.
Kunensolo sokuthi ngathi character le created by. Ensomele ku-account-eke ukuthi lama Alexander le ndawo eziningi zibizwa ngo-Alexander why akhona kwaku-Alexander the Great yenza so bay-create istori sabo. Understand? Alright, bathi character kunye nokusetting phela asikholwa next to the system. We test everything. I test even what I believe, what I understand to be true, which I don't believe what I believe.
That's the way to grow consciously. You need to question even the stuff that you believe in.
That you believe in my core. I understand. Let me show ukuthi lama ukuthi wahethu ukuthi ngipieces into is believer ukuthi ngibone linear sense ukuthi abantu laba ama reptilian. And ngilinde anyone who's on the point ezongiconvince kusuke sengibophele la.
Awuna abakhozi bama Christian kehle. Ngikufuna ne Christian la. Ngathi awuna abakhozi bama Christian.
Abala ngisaba.
Ngifuna aba level yakho. Akukhumbula bonjani wena as a Christian. Ufuna umuntu onjalo.
Ngicabanga umfuna akekho.
Okay, sure.
Sokhwebana.
Hayi khwebana ngizobonisa. Lo asho ukuthi why into yami khona. Now usho ukuthi why into yakho ikhona. Hey Khehla, so let's enye engeli ke. So kit 1025 manje.
Ngisabuya kuyi-10 1025. Labantu laba lento bathi Alexander cricket yenza into beyenziwa ile Alzheimer zifike zizinshaya bangamabhoza la zishiya umuntu ophethe ezimkhombile owaziyo ngazo ungasijwayela wena ureporta kithi yes athi sha za lento yenziwa Alexander shiya ama-general ureporta kimi into yenziwa ama-reptilians hence onke ama-elites emhlabeni acontrol ama-reptilians la nto into abayenza kusho ukuthi nabo-Constantine kunama-reptilians behind. Mangabe iBhayibheli lithi umhlaba kaSathane yibo abanikazi bawo and so babe-control konke indlela benzeni bafikile babhathula bodaki first kwaba bodaki
actually there ko Black Roots basho kanjalo ukuthi the Jacob
yes neskim sakhe umhlaba wobodaki bafike bayinvile bazobhathula thina manje banama-laws of nature abawazi ukuthi awu-apply ngeke wenze noma uthanda ungathandi ngeke kwenzeka first kumele uvume that's why kubafuni bathi-sayina
sure okay
phela by right lawo laba bangasenzisa anything esingasayinanga next that's why mawushada kumele bafuna i-signature yakho ngoba nothing i-bind ukuthi ku-laws of nature mangasayinanga it's like a-court uma bangathi plead uthi what is that do you plead guilty or not guilty uthi angiplead i-case ayiqhubeki ayiqhubeki kumele uthi plead not guilty or guilty then asazokhuluma mozothi mina I don't plead I'm God myself I don't owe anyone any explanation iyayiqhubeka i-case ukuthi
so kwenziwani ke
bazobona phuma kanjani you cannot phela wazi bakugweba ungapleadanga or appeal yaphuma awugwetshwa ungapleadanga umthetho that's why
izinto esingazazi
That's why kunamagama
that we wanna be there.
like kwagama lakho uthi ibhalwe ngama-capital letter ukusho ukuthi awusumuntu uyikhampani. That's why uthi mind my business uyikhampani asumuntu. I'm minding my business. They treat you as a company. Woma umuntu uyigode uNkulunkulu. No one should ask you that. Ngibacheck ukuthi nemoto yakho milibe registered. Manje registerwanga akho umuntu omele kubuze ngayo. Mase register se una igovernment ekuse yakho. So government right ukubuza ukuthi amatara le moto yami awayikho right ngiyayikhipha endleleni.
Cha malungu. Or like what you said with the interlinking of
the disk la. Uthi uthamba esalimoto yakho disk ungahamba contest court uthi ne right to travel anyway. Uthi uthe unga travel la imoto kama i-stress yamasipala. Uthi right ke ninaso isihlahla. Like umuntu like abantu bamakashi bamahasho hayi bangabasuzi. Awuna ayikarisha register under the government and so yaba guide it. And akwazi impound property yami. Nyaba impound ikarisho lipaki lapha. It's my property yababopha. Baza ama laws of nature bakwazi ukuqhoqa direct. Kunto abasisabayo labantu. Basibambela thina siyasifaka emakakeni. Lento ukubhile bonke amasimba abo labantu. Yithi sisifaka emasimbini. Leyo nto abanawo ama powers. Ama reptilian race ayasaba singama gods. Asinento enkulu kithi which is the soul which is God. Bayasaba.
Basaba. At least.
Bafuna permission kithi. That's why nabomkhulu azange babashaye direct. Bathi faka uX. Uyangipha legazi lo X lo sifaka amavota uX wakasalo umhlaba wahamba ngalo X lo umenza amavota mase vote usenza lamasimba enzoba omkhulu bedakwa belungu ungayovota jo yakusinto yethu leyana umthetho waseBritain mawuvota uvotela umthetho waseBritain ushayela ukuthi wena sovota ukuthi umthetho waseBritain ushayela ngeMK angifuni ushaye ngeNC usasithengisa neMK yakho jita
same system.
Bakhona bokhanyisa abodokotela khanyisile Shabalala khanyisile
Shield Shabalala
uhlampile amama
kakhulu
mara bako MK buyisa kahlanipha ukuphatha akaboni point akathola point khona into enhlampile ngihlonipha pipeline uzulakhe imthetho slave lantwana mara ku MK you blank ayiboni point.
But maybe also it's all they know because that law mama law. Remember there was that lady who left the ANC. What you mean? Was she chief whip? She left Congo law say waya kuma red beret. And then I'm like angazi ngiyadideka nginokuba ne 2 minutes la ngidideka khona ukuthi okay no bengithi siyahambisana sharp. But then now you still like there's no solutions outside of the system. You understand?
Emhlabeni ngithina bodala. Ngokunabantu ababona izinto ngala. Mesimame ene manje sibula nama ego yabo nalabo manje sibafuba mafuna
mara kwethu manje the system is still standing, so what do they need to do? Because
because only one yes chief from law thina siphethe amakhosi masiphethe amakhosi isibongo nesibongo sinenkosi yaso ngeke umuntu wakadlamini anekekelani bakakhuzwayo inkosi ekadlamini nake abantu bakadlamini inkosi ekakhuzwa nake bakakhuzwa inkosi ekamlami nake bakamlaba. It's when so xa compete in a form of abantu bakamlaba wobune amabhasi abawa driver amateksi ifemini kamlabi onitimela now uyabona sina ukhuzwa uthi emfethu ngehlulwe nasesibheka inkosi yethu wawo uthi into ushisa amanye abantu understand nenkosi kumele nayenze amamuzi understand nathi kumele elect umuntu la ifemini kakhuzwayo ohlampile understand umuntu dukuse sine fleet of trucks ama truck aye Mozambique aona ifemini akazi zokona. That's how we work dala sasazi ukuthi insimbi yenziwa lapha nakakhuzwayo sazi ukuthi abantwana inyoni abantwana inikhishwa lapha nakadlamini umama khona makashona ushimntana khona into ile elefemi sazi ukuthi indaba yokulima nani abantu abantswembu kancane sazi ukuthi sife silapha so silashwa ifamily so sazi ukuthi abantu ababhula ibongo ngebongo bezinama duty you understand mele sazi ukuthi ifamily so iyabenza imaster yabo kakhulu kadlamini mfethu izinto zemaster izinto siyazi yabo sizima sibona ivazi imaza sibiza ngethakaza zakadlamini odlamini sibabize masibona imoto imaza ifamily lento yenzeka only if sibuyele ebukhosini baka udlamini uyazi recognize right now abadlamini bahlakazekile uthola iphoyisa lidlamini libopha intwana udlamini yejele khona iprison wide udlamini awudlamini bayabhayizisana ngestima seBritain mara in the name of salary awudlamini kune yinto enzeka hamba police hamba lapha na Westgate Court wherever court high court nani uyafika nyaka kuphume uthatha iviki ungatholanga ipoyisa elinesibongo so sibambe isibosho isibongo so mfethu ni umuntu nigazi liwani mfaka nejele according to my British how do you feel when uyiphoyisa ubhala umntana kini nami ushabalala uyamakhotha uthola ukuthi ushabalala ukwazi ushabalala le azazani ifika sesekhotha ibona ama-complain ukuthi ya baba lo ambulala lo mdubula babushabalala kanti uthi kanti leyo ngishabalala esihlahleni awuboshabalala bobulaleni lose attitude case khona uthenga umandla ukubheka ne ukwazi intwana lapha phezulu mase kuye khotha police station le ntwana limkwazi ukubheka sibongisiwa a chance abazali isihlakazekile mfiki right now
So what do we do practically?
into emele yenze practically yonke icala ngefamily thina singabodaki njengoba ngisho ukuthi education yethu it's me, family and community. It's not me and house in not cliff. Not me and house le eRamsey qaza ukuthi ngihlele eRamsey endlini yona mangibhoda noma ngingakabhonisa ngiyi-own kweyami ngibhadala i-property tax ekuzoba ithende crazy nje mangathiwa ngiphelelwe nesimokolo ngisenzayo le nto ngisequalify ngo-property tax ngeke ngisayikhona maze izodliwa yi-state chaza ukuhlala endlini enjani chaza ukuthi ngisikele mkolota abantu ngoba ngikolota nojesu ngikolota nonkulunkulu ngikolota nedlozi ngikolota enye ibhari ekakayo njengami kumele mina ngilokhu ngiyisilivisa uyibiza ihleke uhlala eRamsey uyisiliva sinye ibhari ekakayo njengawe uyibhari neRamsey yakho uhlala endlini 30 million ama-digits bafakile ukuthi ukuprove ukuthi idonga kangakana na gogo mamela uhlele endlini obhadala imali ubhadala enyathi ekakayo ngoba babhadala uNkulunkulu ubhadala idlozi yeah
Mara cash, okay, manje again. The system is still here. Senza kanjani?
Nenze ngisho ukuthi yonke
kumele sithele ipetrol.
Yonke individually ize kufamily. Yonke individual family. Singabudakwa economy lebhara, sidinga petrol, sidinga unit. Mase united petrol yazela.
Mara okay, asikho united okwamanje. Mina ngihlezi ngithi ayi ngathi udaki, ngathi asifuni grand sharp.
Sicela family, kuyinkanga nyesi yendawo, nyesi ibalekela yiki shortcut. Ifamily nenza show ukuthi charity intwana yenze peace intwana. Sinechain intwana bogogo abaloyana isikhathi eside. Sinechain omkhulu. Sure. Khona umkhulu abelungu bafika basixabanisa. Mina ngine-file intamkhulu wami nokho ekhulumani yakhe. Wayeni stand nama room. Vaya ngina pass, khulumani yakhe inepass. Wabhalisa lento zakhe ngegama khulumani yakhe mna. Kwazondwana. Kwamele kubulawana. Ngokufanele kwakhe ke. Kwakufanele. Ngalo mthetho wesystem mara ngobuntu mfethu ngixabanela ama-room manje nini ye-fog land who owns the land or you're owned by the land
kahle yazi indaba yemali I think we need to do a separate episode endaba yemali last week bengikuyaphi but ngehle ngale bridge le lase-Orlando ngena eKrasi ngihlangana nobaba omunye bayathengisa la phezulu lo baba lo he's old and frail but uwile nasemvuleni because imedi ithatha imali ekhadini lasesasa and I'm like kanetha khehla kanetha like yashaya le mvula yabona le mvula le bayidesignile lamalanga and I'm like yo imali is controller ngaleyo ndlela because manje sakwatele nomama sendlini umama sendlini uzothi naye wathi ngiphiphini wathatha imali what and I'm like yo
and understanding
nabantu abadala who are supposed to be at home kwezinye kwamanye ama-position
kumele ibe i-topic for the day u-understanding the butterfly effect eyenziwa imali yenza i-damage and yonke nyakanyaka into encane imali yenza i-butterfly effect mfethu ebisa
it is Rebecca le ya 1025
yes ngo-2014 ama-reptilians mawahamba basha abantu umhlaba wonke ama-reptilians ngale phela ama-nights bathi agcina uku-exista ngo-1600 agcina uku-exista ama-nights 15, 16, 1500 olaloko baloko akhona and masilandelelayo ngithi mina singene ku-1400 uConstantine phela u-325 it's 325 plus the 75 years extra added to 325 kwaba 400 masifika 400 azange bathi 400 bafaka u-1 kudas ekhalenda bena 10 months kudas bafaka i-12 months remember i-12 months azi ukuthi ingene ngo-1400 vele mina phela le show yokuthi unyaka phela 1400 nento eningi ezingifaka ku-1400 ikhalenda ukuthi sintshe siye ku-14 months ku-12 months iyenziwe 1400 before bokuyi 10 months
hence so-called 1400
the so-called 1400 thank you phela 10 udays means 10 i-decimal
sure
it's a digit 10 ne u-oct makuthiwa octagon for 8 sides octane value octave note i-8th note ku-music Oct means 8.
And
so,
eight, yeah.
8. And so, October was the 8th month. Njoba days ku 10th month. Bafaka uJanuary no February one of the courts abo le mfanelisi. Basifaka uJanuary no February. Since ku 12 months. Lento yenziwa ngo1400. Isabuyela back to lo 1400 unendaba. Kusho ukuthi 1400 ziningi izinkomo 1400 ngiyacisa ngitana nekunendaba. And so nesho ngifuna someone ongiphikisa. Kusho ukuthi lento ngisuspect for quite a long time until manje ngithi bring someone ongiphikisa ngisho njalo ngithi 325 Constantine makachinja iBhayibheli wayenza ama blacks and young church wayenza iBhayibheli ngo 325 walinda 1000 years ukuthi azodiscover ngo 1600 kana sifaka iBhayibheli kusho ukuthi yena kade penza iBhayibheli athi nyazi 1600 sizothola abantu abamnyama sibabamba sibatshela ukuthi uJesu uConstantine wazi 325 ukuthi ngo 1600 uzosithola namanga I don't believe that shit.
And now okay, the first people okay, I can see 1600 you're talking about South Africa again when they were arriving here.
Yeah.
Which other place in Africa again did they colonize?
Kasibangene endaweni eBhaya ngoba mawumamela
uqalwe nini? Because manje angithi nescramble for Africa.
Good question. Ngithi utest ukuthi ama-Portuguese adiscover Africa ngo1400. Cape Town.
Cape of Good Hope.
Cape of Good Hope. Isabuyela lo 1400. Ukuthi kunento eningi ezibekuzwe ngifaka lo 1400. Cape of Good Hope ama-Portuguese ambiza ngoCobra Nós. Angazi but means December or means sunlight or means
I think
sunny
Christmas
day.
or something like
Christmas,
that.
something like that. Jesus is great whatsoever. Instead, but that thing happened ngo 1400 lo ngikhala ngayo. For same 1400 lo kwenziwe ngayo ntwana uCicero Borgia bafaka ubuso bakhe wababathu Jesus. 1400 the very same 1400 kwenziwa ngayo i-calendar yaba na 12 months. Inhlekulethe iningi ezenziwa ngo 1400. Why not bafaka u1 ngalo 1400? Kulento iningi ezibalwayo ngithi one of them kufaka u1. Into engabhalwanga le. Ngifila nge-intuition information engithole nge-intuition ngibelieve ukudlala ngifundile.
And that brings us to the end of part 2 with Mkhulu Mlaba. See you on the next episode of Guys at the Concentration Camp as we continue this convo. Thank you for watching.